Hi guys, welcome to my channel Enticing Arisha, and today I am here to talk about our topic frustration. And if you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and please share it with all your friends so that my message reaches as many people as possible. Now, coming to the topic, what is frustration? Frustration is a kind of emotion. It's a negative emotion where you do not have or possess control over a particular situation. Now, this sounds too technical, isn't it? Let me make it simple by giving you an example. Now, for example, you're getting ready in the morning, you have a meeting to go, and suddenly you're finding that your gadgets are not working. Like you're out from your shower and you want to go for a drying your hair, and your hair dryer is not working, or perhaps you're getting into the car and suddenly your car conks down, and you have no control over the situation, and that is when you get frustrated. Now, what does this frustration actually create in you? Frustration creates anxiety, it creates disappointment, it creates depression, it creates restlessness. So all these emotions are created because of frustration. Let me give you another example. For you, you have planned to go out with your friends on today being Saturday. I'll give you today's example. Maybe you're getting ready to go for a movie and go for a dinner and have a nice begin your weekend very nicely, and just when you're stepping out of your house, taking your bike or your car keys, and that is when your family comes and tells you, oh, please don't go out today, we are expecting an important person in the family who's going to visit us, or perhaps a family member is coming to visit us this evening, and it's not possible that you're not there in the house. So that kind of leads you to frustration. You feel, because you have actually planned something for yourself and that's not happening the way you want it to happen. So frustration is negative, and everybody gets frustrated in some point of time, not some point of time, regularly in our daily life, I should say. And it's normal. If you're angry, it's normal. If you feel restless, it's normal. If you're feeling out of control, it's normal. Please accept it. It's normal. Okay. Now, let me get into another situation which currently we all are facing. Let me speak about COVID. In COVID, especially in the second phase, we have all kind of lost people whom we know. Some of them have lost their loved ones, their family members, and there is nothing that we can do about it. We cannot control the situation. You may say that the vaccines have come and I've taken the 2 jabs and I'm kind of okay now. It's fine, but it's still not a solution. It's beyond our control. So what can we do? We just feel frustrated. We have to live with it. So getting frustrated is natural, it is normal, and it is okay. I have heard of a myth, and I definitely want to share with you guys that story. When I was a child, I had heard it, and I used to laugh at this story, at this myth. It was like there was a saint who wanted to control his anger and frustration, so he goes deep into a forest and he makes a hut and he sits there trying to meditate. Now, after a couple of years, there is a traveler who's passing by and he sees a hut and he goes there and he asks the saint, "Oh saint, do you have a light in the hut?" The saint says, "No, I don't have a light in the hut, and I'm in the middle of a forest meditating. I don't need it either." Then this man goes in search of light. He goes into the other side of the forest. He comes back, and after half an hour, he asks the saint, "Oh saint, do you have a light in the hut?" The saint says, "You asked me earlier, and I replied to you that no, I don't have light and I don't need it either." And then this man says, "Okay, thank you." And then he goes in another direction searching for light. And again, he comes back to the saint asking, "Oh saint, do you have light in the hut?" And this time, the saint gets really frustrated, he just raises his volume and he says, "Look here, man, I have told you 3 times now that there is no light in the hut. You still keep coming to me and ask me the same question." And that is where the man starts laughing and he says, "See, you have the light in you, you have the fire in you. It's just that you think you don't possess it." So frustration is there with everyone, wherever you go, in whatever situation we are, we all face frustration. So it's a natural process and it's okay to feel frustrated, to feel the pain, to feel the anxiety, to get into a depression. We are all human beings, right? We are all filled with emotions. If we do not have emotions, we cannot be human. Only once you are like dead, you don't even feel your feet, you don't even feel your movement, you don't even feel an expression. We are living, we are bound to feel all that, and it's okay. Okay, now how to maybe a short remedy on how you can overcome frustration is, first, acceptance that yes, I'm frustrated. It's a negative thought. It's normal to feel frustrated. Then next thing is, talk to a friend, talk to a person who's close to you, who's not judgmental about you, whom you can really trust on. In my earlier video also I said you should have a trump card. Talk to somebody where not necessarily you have to speak about this frustration, because negativity spreads negativity, and I'm sure my viewers don't want to do that. So maybe talk something silly, or sometimes if there is some deep frustration, then yes, go share it with a friend, and maybe they come out with a different dimension of thinking or a different solution which you may find helpful. So first, accept it. Next, talk to your friend, and then try to change the perspective in which you look at things. If you look at the things in your life which is like half filled, and you feel that life is very empty, start looking in a way that you feel that no, the glass is half full and I'm happy with my full glass. Okay, so change your dimension of looking at things, talk to a friend, accept that it's normal to feel negative, and when you kind of feel frustrated, divert your mind, get into a physical activity. Now this physical activity could be anything like going for an exercise, following your hobby, going for a movie, do anything that you like. Just come out of this energy. It's just an energy. This also shall pass. Okay, with this I'm coming to an end of today's video. I think I've spoken lots about negative energies. I will come up with something fresh, nice and lovely in the next weekend. Until then, see you, bye bye, have a nice weekend.